Hey, good morning, Natsa. Morning, guys. Sunday morning, just a short coffee today. Good morning, salud. Just grab a coffee, Sunday morning. Good morning, good morning. It's a cold day here, so a hot coffee is coming handy. Good morning, Natsa. Morning, guys. Morning. How cold it is? 1 degree. Yeah, just one, just one. But yeah, kind of cold. Morning, Natsa. Cold and dark, yeah, it is indeed. Didi's on the chat. Daniel, good morning. Minus 12, minus 14. Yeah. You know what? I seen yesterday a video. One second. Probably it's on the history. One second. It's unbelievable how the people can live. Like, let me check 1 second. Um, I don't know what it is. I watch a lot of videos from Siberia. Yeah. So they were like normal, like minus 50 degrees. They, it's a normal day for them. So they start being worried from minus 65, but minus 50 was fine. Was not sure where is the video. It was a lady from Siberia. Yeah, not sure where is the video. We have few days ago minus 39. New record on Finland. And we complain at minus one. Yeah, yeah. Mati, good morning. Grab a coffee, Mati, or tea. Morning, guys. We made a mistake last week with the giveaway. You remember? And no one on the chat told me, actually, it was a mistake. So on the last video, 1 second, let me find. Okay, check here, yeah? So this was a mistake, which was corrected, but no one spotted the thing. Okay, you found the video. Okay, yeah, that's the one. So the mistake was when we had to pick a number, and the number was 3, and Munrus said 3. But Kit, you can see here, he said 3 on 2 digits. He said 03, which basically is 3. So yeah, I said he's the winner, but actually the Kit was the winner. And I apologize, and Kit said he doesn't need it. Yeah, he said he doesn't need it, and Munurus got the NLBA. Yeah, Yeah, I apologize. I missed it. I missed it for some reason. I don't know because you have your brain like watching for one digit number, and yeah, yeah, I know, I know. But very nice from Kit. So he said, "Sorry, I don't really need it." Yeah, was the woman from? I don't know. It's a big channel that like has only over 1 million subscribers. Was a nice lady, and yeah. One second. This is the video. Wait, this is the video. Uh, yeah, this one. This is the video. Then this is the channel. And basically, on the video, she's going through one day of her life, and yeah, it's just a different kind of life. Yeah, the video has like 6 million views. Yeah, yeah, very interesting stuff. The people they adapt. Gap for Tech. Thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So how is everyone, huh? Everyone working hard? No, really, huh? January is kind of dead. People spend money on the holidays, on Christmas and New Year, and now they don't have money to repair stuff. Right? Yeah, kind of dead in January. Uh, Georgia and Nata, good morning. Morning, guys. Totally right? Yeah. Yeah. By the way, next week the Temu video is coming with a discounted thermal camera. So keep an eye there. If you have like a fast brain, yeah, you can have that camera probably like with $50. The P3 one? No, the Unity 260. If work's dead, it's time to play on the radio. Oh, Mike. I wish I have that time. Easy Pizza is a currency now on YouTube. Should be because it's a universal coin. Every country has pizza. Yeah, so we can set one pizza here has a different price compared with different country. But always, yeah, it's a currency. Yeah. Tom Cruise from us. Soren, do you prefer AMD or Intel? I was with Intel all my life till the 14 Gen series, and I still have problems with my one. And now I'm not. I'm gonna buy only AMD. I bought AMD to Diana. The which one? The last one. 3D. I don't know. I forgot the name. I'm not. I'm not. I don't know the AMD CPUs. I know the Intel, but not the AMD. 9800 3D. Yeah. And Diana, she's happy with the CPU, with the computer. Yeah, 14 Gen i9. It is bad. It is bad. What kind of PC are you using? It's a custom PC. I bought the motherboard, the CPU, but good motherboard is the Hero 5, I believe. Good one with a lot of VRAM phases. BIOS programmer, which one do you use? The Revel Prog. Revel Prog, yeah. I like the things, has a current limit, so I cannot burn things, and I can set up the voltage I want. Sylvia, good morning. I'm late? No, you're not late. We started like 11 minutes ago. I have some bad news. I mean, this can happen only to me, I swear. You know my daughter fly school? Hmm? So what happened here? They delete the article. That's crazy. Subscribe to read. What is this? They put the article, okay, behind a wall, paid wall. Okay, it doesn't matter anyway. It's goes to insolvency. I think that's how it's called. Yeah. Well, yeah, my daughter's still doing the things, but the school is not that school anymore. Everything was being transferred to another school. Which, of course, I'm a little bit worried because I know online you'll see a lot of people they lost money with school which they are closing. Which country are you from? Romania. Transylvania. You know Dracula? Vampires? Yeah, from there. Exactly from there. Exactly from there. Sorry to hear that. Unexpected. I mean, the school was proper professional. Yeah, the professional people. I mean, if you read online, there are horror stories like students like they got like first soul after 90 hours, 90. Horror stories because the fly school it will stole the student so can take more money from the student. You know what I mean? But not this one. They were proper fair, and I don't know. It was not cheap. I don't understand how they failed. I don't understand. Probably because of the weather. I think that's the reason. Because obviously, if the planes are not flying, then they are losing money. They need service. What do you mean dirty? It's not dirty. What do you mean? It's not. How can be dirty inside? Danny, Sigur. Good morning, good morning. Isorin, you ever got solution for common fault on all laptop Dell, which get hot on 3.3 chip, even if you change the IC? Yeah, you have a shorted EC chip. Doesn't matter if you replace the power supply, it will still get hot. I mean, the people they got this wrong. They seen the 3.3 LDO chip, which is a complex chip, has 4 power supplies. 4. They seen the chip getting hot, and they think, okay, that's the problem. So they replace the chip, and the chip still getting hot, because it's not the chip, it's the output which is shorted. It's the output of the LDO output. Yeah. That's the most common mistake. I see on Discord, the people, oh, this chip is getting hot, I replace the chip, and it's still getting hot. Yeah. Check for shorts after you remove the chip. Yeah, but the people don't know it's tricky, because there are 4 power supplies there, 4. So you have to check 4 outputs. Good morning, good morning. Can I learn how to reply laptops? Repair, probably you wanted to say, on my own? Yeah, you can. Of course you can. Go first on our other channel for beginners, if you are a beginner. If you have like basic knowledge, then yeah, definitely you can make a living. Yeah. I suggest creating a cryptocurrency, Easy Pizza. No. Are you a gamer? 100%, yeah. I finished with PoE 2. I'm a Diablo 4 right now. Play the end of the game, play the temple, play like every class. I play every class on PoE 2. Like top builds, everything. I done some gardening work, and look, I hurt myself again. HW monitor, the PCH temperature is around 70 degrees. Try to cool down. I'm always, when you see a chip like that, a complex chip like a chipset, which is getting mad hot, you can't even touch it. Try to use like this kind of pads, yeah? This kind of pads, and you can, put one over the other, so it's hold pressed by the back case of the laptop. Yeah, not the chain swing again. No, the chain swing. No. It was the water hose. The water hose got frozen and was leaking, and I tried to see why it's leaking, and cracked, and I scratched my hand. Yeah. Do you play games? I do play games. Antifreeze is the water hose. What do you mean antifreeze? You can't use antifreeze. Mine got frozen too. Where do you recommend to use thermal pad? Chipset is a must, yeah? Then you have probably the charging power supply, probably the SSD. Yeah. Water cooler inside of PC, it's a bad idea. Why? It's working great. My one, it's able to output 340 watts. You can believe that? So I can overclock the CPU with 340 watts, and the water cooling, it will do the job. It will pull up the heat. Constantin, da, n-a fost iOS pentru mine că m-am, înțelegi? M-am ars, dar nu. Too high risk? You know what, Sergio, I never ever seen like a water cooling system leaking. Never seen one. Never heard. So I don't know. I mean, what are the odds for a water system to leak? Probably the custom one. I know they're custom, people building their own water cooling. Yeah, maybe that one. Is gaming laptop with onboard RAM reliable and durable? No. It's more is better. Yeah, can achieve like better performance, but it's not more durable or reliable. What are some conditions to consider before replacing IC? Yeah, that's hard to say. Yeah, of course, if the chip is not doing the job, I'll replace it. But missing VREG, you mean like that kind of chip? Okay, no, missing VREG, I will not replace the chip. Missing VREG, I will check the VREG 5 and VREG 3.3 with the multimeter. Then I will check the enable. Then yeah, I will check the input voltage and everything is fine. I will replace the chip, but I didn't found that chip to be dead. No, it's always like a shorted output. Always. Have you considering allowing international device? No, I'm really sorry. Look here. I'm gonna show you the email. The custom. The people from custom. They email me. I can't even explain what pain it is. 1 second. What should I search for? It's somewhere in my email, but I don't know what to search for. Custom is not. Yeah, I found it. I think it's this one. You 1 second. Okay. This is one. This is one thing. This is from FedEx actually. But then I have another email from. How can I hide the email address and stuff? Yeah, I think like that. You have to understand. You have to do this like every time, and I can't do it. No, I'm really sorry. So this kind of stuff, yeah. Check there, yeah. A full description of the goods. Yeah, this is a good which was coming to me. A job from United States was a phone, a mobile phone. A full description of the goods. Why are the goods coming into the country? I mean, what it was saying on the, the customer people feel it like, okay, for repair, but that doesn't care. They want to answer again. How long will be the goods in the country for? Will be the goods be returned? Will you be the owner of the goods? You have to do it you have to do it when the job is coming and when the job is leaving. It's just a pain. And this is FedEx. I'm not even speaking about the custom people. They are emailing me also. It's insane. It's crazy. You can't do it. No, you can't do it. You can't do it. I'm sorry. I have. They send me invoice to pay for it for a. From where was that package? It was another package which I miss. The customer, when I'm speaking with the customer, I can't really figure it out if it's from UK or not. And I'm going with a job with the customer and give them the address. Yeah, okay, sent. But I don't know if it's from UK or not. I'm assuming it's from UK because on the web page it's saying I can take only jobs from UK. But you'll be surprised how many emails I have people outside of the UK. So when I got the job, wait, job is coming from a different country. I mean, the customer hasn't said anything about, being from another country. Yeah. It's just a pain. It's just a pain. Trust me, I will do it because I have more requests from outside of the UK compared with the UK. Like I said, if I will go back to Europe, definitely I will make more money. Probably not. Probably, I don't know. Well, yeah, I can do it from UK, from Europe. I can take jobs from Europe. I can only hope the UK will be back to Europe, but probably not. I'm just dreaming. Greetings from Switzerland. I can feel your custom. Yeah, yeah. I don't. Yeah, I don't even want to go there. It, they will not believe you. So you said, yeah, okay, this is for repair. They will not believe it. They believe you bought it, and the seller right there. This is for repair for you to not pay the custom fee and VAT. Yeah. So they will not believe you. No. Even if it's gift, you remember I said a package with gift, and we have on Discord. Someone orders something and I send a gift. Nah, no gift. Actually, he has to pay more money than the package was. What is the advantage of joining Discord private channel? We have a channel which is visible for people which they subscribe to access to that private channel. On that private channel, you can ask me stuff. You can have priority. If you have an issue, someone it will answer to you. We have a lot of supporters. Actually, people answer the questions. Unlikely because I'm very busy, but yeah, that's what it is. It's just access to a chat. Okay, now it's better. Now it's better. I don't think UK will join EU. Yeah, but everything gets worse and bad from Brexit. UK was not like that. When I came here first time, when first I came here, it was like, you know, you have that feeling you can do whatever you want. Everyone's buying, selling, everyone, like a solid economy, a lot of shops, a lot. Now it's a totally different country. It's a totally different country. It's different. We have no shops. The shops closed down. Everything is more expensive. They are not picking up the beans. They're picking up the beans like I have to pay for the green bean, the brown one. It's not how it was. When I see how the UK it was like when first I came here, and I was like, why I didn't came here earlier? I mean, this is beautiful. That kind of economy when everyone is buying anything and anyone is selling everything. You know what I mean? I was doing boot sell. You can find a lot of like things to buy on boot sell and sell, and people were buying. They were buying anything. Pop, thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. It was a dream country. Yeah, let me say it like that. Yeah, UK. How many years? 13 years ago, it was a dream country. I miss Maplins. Yeah, it was Maplins. I swear, I've been so many times to Maplins. I need an electronic component or a tool or something, go to Maplins. Yeah. Yeah, I make shopping. Maplins. We have Maplins here in the town. It was before, now it's closed down. But it was a dream country. Yeah. Yeah, I believe that has to be changed, Praytech. I believe that has to be changed. It's people are just abusing about that thingy. Yeah, has to be changed. But my opinion, that's what I believe. Yeah, so listen to Sorin. Every world problem, it will be solved instantly. Yeah, instantly you solve everything if you cancel the religion. Yeah, that's all. You take it out from the law. Every problem it will be solved because you have nothing. You have only people left. That's all what you have. If you take our religion from people, all what is left are actually people. Yeah. Why we are speaking about this kind of stuff? I said, we have to stay away from this. No politics, no religion. No, sorry. No. We're not speaking about this. No. Okay, guys, I think I'll stop. Now come to Africa, especially my country, Tanzania. I will come on one day. I will visit every country. I will meet people. Yeah, and I will stream. Maplin is online only. It was not like that. It was actually a physical shop here in the town. Pizza World Tour. You know what? That's a good idea. We are trying pizza on every country. Huh? Exactly. That's what is funny. We are starting speaking about electronic. We end up speaking about politics and religion. Okay. Yeah. Magazine Dioda. Yeah. Yeah, I know that. I used to work on Maplin. Really? Oh, Mati, and you have access to so many components there. Electronics only, yeah, definitely. I should ban myself for even speaking about anything else. You'll be shocked about our pizza prices. What do you mean? You think pizza can be more expensive compared with UK? I don't think. Pizza here, £25. £25 pizza. Is more expensive there? Nah. No, I don't think anywhere else pizza is more expensive. Probably Switzerland, yeah. Maybe there is more expensive. 15 euros on Spain. decent. Even the basic one, yeah, yeah, yeah. A large pizza, 25 pounds, Domino's. Sorry, in shorted caps on the power relay. I tried to use milliometer, and it worked with the milliometer. About 13 euros in Slovakia. What do you mean that's really expensive? That's normal. That's not even expensive, 25 pounds. Where is my Domino app? 1 second. I don't have a Domino app. Diana is doing the orders. Domino's. Domino's Pizza. You want my postcode? Okay, let me see. No, this is a trap. You know, the website is a trap. When you want to buy it, it's a different price. Like 21. It's not 21. Nah, when you want to buy it, it's something else. Yeah, you could ask you the toppings and the stuff and the sauce and 21 and delivery free. Probably, yeah. Yeah, probably, yeah. The delivery is on top. The BIOS got corrupted when updating the BIOS. It didn't work. How much I reset the CMOS battery? Oh, it's working now. You fixed it. Okay, okay. Guys, I'm gonna stop now. I have a lot plans for today. I just want to say thank you for being here. Enjoy the day. It will be us. You know what? The things are getting even worse. So on YouTube, the revenue CPM, count per mile. That's how it's called. I mean, what is revenue for 1,000 views? It's half, literally half compared with December. It was like 12 on December, and now it's like $6 per 1,000 views. I mean, I never seen something like that. I mean, usually the things get like worse on January, but it's like half price. I think I will focus on Patreon. Try to upload more on Patreon. It's not the YouTube fault. Probably is, are not that many advertisers. When you have instability in the world, the people start spending money. Stop spending money, actually. Yeah. What about another host? Oh, the host is not a problem. YouTube is it's not YouTube fault. It's actually, there are no advertisers. And when there are no advertisers, then the advertisement price goes down. Basic, marketing. Keith, happy to see you here. I will apologize one more time to you. I said it on the beginning of the live stream. I apologize. And I will say very nice from you. You actually, you passed the NLBA to Munros because you was the winner. I'm sorry because I have probably my eye looking for one digit, and that's most likely the reason why I miss your answer. Yeah, I must have 10 ads today on this stream. I don't even think there are ads on the. What do you mean? I didn't enable the ads on the stream. You don't have YouTube Premium. Musica. I cannot change anything regarding a notification. You cannot disable. You have no option to disable the notification. It's everything. It's an automate process. So it's not my fault. Sorry, can you look at this power supply? Of course I can. Nah, I don't trust something. Nah, I'm okay. I think it's a switching power supply. I don't think it's linear. No. No, I don't think it's linear. 10 amps power supply. It must be switching. Must be switching. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop now. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Enjoy the day. I promise I'll come with some nice content. Why you don't like switching? Switching power supply are made for cheap, are not good. Do you really think that switching power supply is good? No way you'll think something like that. It's cheap, it's efficient, but don't tell me it's good. Yeah, don't say that. Don't say that. Of course, just imagine a gaming laptop. We have 15 amps, 1.5 linear power supply. Like big one, you can't have something else. So yeah, switching power supply is making sense, but from making sense and being cheap and being efficient to actually be good, it's a big difference. Yeah. Can you go already? Yeah, I'm going. I will say thank you for having a coffee with me. Yeah, yeah, Daniel. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, enjoy the day, Sunday. Do whatever you like. And yeah, 73, Mike. And see you on the next one. Yeah, next week. Yeah, next week. Enjoy the day. Yeah. Bye.